Hey everybody, this is Jason coming at you again with another financial consistency message, this time from the Kicksite gym, which is fitting because we're going to do some additional work this week. Now last week we talked about 3 critical and consistent practices you need to employ as it concerns finances. 1 was creating a realistic budget so we know what's coming in and out of the business. 2 was paying down any debt, particularly credit card debt. And 3 was paying ourselves a fair salary so that we're no longer taking distributions out of the business to fund our lifestyle. Well, now this week we're going to take it to another level. In order to do so, we've got to consider 4 cash flow forces that are at play in any business. 1 is taxes, 2 is paying down debt, 3 is creating an emergency fund, which is to say 3 to 6 months of operating expenses for your business, and 4 is taking profit. So in order to facilitate these forces, we're going to ask you, or I'm going to ask you to create 4 separate accounts within your bank. The first account is going to be operations, and that's going to be used, the funds in that account will be used to just fund utilities, rent, just kind of the normal things within your business. The second account is going to be for taxes. Every month you should be meeting with your accountant. You should know exactly how much profit you made and how much is owed to Uncle Sam in the way of taxes. We're going to be immediately funneling that money before we touch it into that tax account so that it's available to write a check when the tax bill comes. 3 is payroll. We should know exactly what we have to set aside to cover our staff's payroll, including you as the owner. And then 4 is profit. Now, the typical business generates about 7%. 5% profit margin's low, 10 is decent, 20 is great. So just so you have some benchmarks. So we're going to be striving for that 20% profit margin, and when we got that profit margin or that profit account, we use that money to pay down debt, to consider future business expansion, maybe even hire more employees. So hopefully that gives you some guidance. If you have any questions, by all means, we'd love for you to reach out. We'll continue to be a resource on this front. And until we speak again, have a great day.